Okay, so it didn't quite work out that I got the trumpet 2 part on the trumpet 2 and trumpet 3 part on one video. So this will be trumpet 2, hopefully, maybe even 3 with it also, but we'll see what happens. So right now, trumpet 2. Okay, still be using my flugelhorn. Don't have my trumpet with me today. Okay, so trumpet 2, you'll be playing a D, first valve D, high D, 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 C, D, 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 F. Then you'll go back again, the next phrase, D, 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 C. And then you're going to play D, 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 F, drop down to C natural, C sharp, here's your grace note, C sharp, D, F, C sharp, C natural, B flat, and then you're going to drop to low G. Okay, let's see what that sounds like. So let's, so there's your D to begin the song, and then, so you're going to have to jump from D to F without moving your first finger. So we start off 1. Rest. 2, 3, 4, 1. Rest. See, that last 2 measures is just like the trumpet 1's last 2 measures, except for instead of jumping up to high G, you're going to drop down and play low G. So let's do the last 2 measures again, okay? So, matter of fact, let's do the last 3 measures again. Bop, bop, ba, da, bop. So 1, 2 is your D, rest, D, D, F, and then you're resting as soon as you hit the note. Da, 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 rest, bop. That's beat 2 of the second to last measure. C. That's the note. We got the C sharp to D, the C sharp to the D. So, third to last measure is 1. You feel that? All right. So again, 1, third to last measure. 1, 2, ready, start on the D. 1. One last time. Ready, play, 1, 3. Okay, that's trumpet 2. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue on now to trumpet 3 on the same video. I've been doing this all night, and lips getting dry. Need some water, but I'm going to keep moving on. Okay, so now trumpet 3. We're going to start off on B flat. Trumpet 3 now. Trumpet 3. Okay, we're going to start off on B flat. It's going to be first valve, but it's not going to be as high as D was. That's our pitch. Ba ba da G. So we're going to go from B flat, B flat, B flat, G. Then we're going to go B flat, B flat, B flat, C, going up a step. So do that again. Rest. Rest. That's what we went up. Now we're going to come and do it again, go down. Rest. Now, on that one, we're going to, after we hit our third to last measure, we come down to an A and we do what everybody else did. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-da-ba. But you're hitting an A on the second beat. So you have A 1 and 2, then you have to lip up to C sharp 1 and 2. So beat 1 is rest. Get that? So I'm going to go slow again, third to last measure, 3 measures from the end. So 1.